my name's Dave Graff, Business Development Manager at Stober Drives in the Rockwell Automation Technology Program. Rockwell Automation and Stober partner together to deliver mechatronic solutions that enable our mutual end customers to optimize the machine's efficiency, create solutions that are reliable and save space, all while being backed by outstanding warranty and support. Stober addresses the need for planetary or helical gearboxes, either as a standalone gearbox solution or a geared motor solution, depending on application requirements. Our mechatronic products made seamlessly with Rockwell servo motors, and our integrated servo gear motors connect seamlessly with Kinetics 5500, Kinetics 5700, and Kinetics 6500. Stober and Rockwell Automation support a variety of industries, including automation, consumer packaged goods, beverage, food, converting, printing, web, and more. For more information, please visit us on the partner locator.